Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 18th of February. And first of all, national news. Delhi Chief Minister not named, venue for oath fixed. Sources. In a rare gesture, PM Modi received brother Emir of Qatar at airport. Ganesh Kumar, the likely new Chief Election Commissioner of India. Bypassing traffic jams, train rush, Bihar men take 2 days boat ride to Mahakumbh. Adani Group announced rupees 2000 crore donation for setting up schools. Emir is scheduled to meet President Draupadi Murmu and hold talks with PM Modi on Tuesday. And now some international news. US State Department websites changes on Taiwan leads China fuming. Elon Musk dodged seeked access to US tax system, a report said. Trump appealed to Supreme Court to fire US agency chief, a report said. US reciprocal tariffs may have limited impact on Indian exports, a report said. European leaders held an urgent meeting amid Washington's policy shift towards Moscow. Now some sports news. India's premier international tennis event will feature 9 players ranked within the top 200 starting February 24. Gujarat Giants have never beaten Mumbai Indians in the Women's Premier League. Champions Trophy 2025. India are the number one ranked ODI team in the world. Now, news related to business. Sensex dropped 297 points in early trade. Nifty declined 119 points. US reciprocal tariffs may have limited impact on Indian exports, a report said. And that's all in news. Thank you.